so glad to be getting out of town again. Just a quick 2-day trip again. We are going up to Flagstaff, first stop today. Visit a couple museums maybe, walk around downtown, maybe have lunch there, or we may go to Williams for lunch. Williams is the ultimate destination today. We will be staying at the Grand Canyon Railroad Hotel, I believe is what it's called, and having some fun up there tonight, boarding the train tomorrow, and going up to the Grand Canyon on the train, which will be super fun. We've done this trip before, so we're going to do that train ride again and go see the Grand Canyon. It's kind of a pre-birthday trip. My birthday is this week. So, yeah, looking forward to some time away, and we will bring you along. Well, we arrived in Flagstaff, and the first stop that we made is the Museum of Northern Arizona, and should be really interesting to brush up on our history and archaeological history of Native Americans that started in Arizona here, and the Colorado Plateau, and some of the history of the Grand Canyon. I think that they have quite a bit of different art, not only from Native Americans, but also from prehistoric history, which should be really interesting to see. here at the Grand Canyon Railroad Hotel. Let's go get checked in. It's beautiful. Here we are at the Grand Canyon Railroad Hotel. Just got checked in and kind of settled in our room. We're in room 1341. Let's take a look around. We'll start in the restroom first. Really nice. It seems like they've renovated quite recently and everything feels really new and fresh. I love that the toiletries are the bottles that they can refill, so it's less waste, eco-friendly. Let's take a look. You've got a full closet here, if you can believe it. Us cruise ship people find this quite a luxury here. Luggage rack in the bottom. There's an iron board. We've already hung up our clothes for dinner tonight. I like the headboards. Reminds me of a cruise ship. Really great. Flat screen TV. Dresser. You've got a refrigerator. Big refrigerator. Again, for us cruise ship people, that's a real luxury. Nightstand here. There could be a few more plugs. You have the plugs in the lamp, but you know, could be a USB port, but it's not. But at least it's there, so that's good. Desk area, which is great. You've got a courtyard lookout here, which is really kind of cute. So really nice. We've been impressed with the room already. Air conditioner with the controls here. Doesn't seem to be too noisy or anything. We've stayed in this hotel before. It's been about 2 years ago. But we had a really good stay, really fun train ride up. We're excited for tomorrow. Well, we're taking a quick pit stop here at Spencer's Pub, right here in the Grand Canyon Railroad Hotel. Let's take a look. I'll show you around.
Sit down first and then order.
Oh yeah, have a seat. We have table service and say to be right with you.
I love these customized lunch boxes that they offer. There's a breakfast box, lunch boxes, 3 different choices, plus all the goodies that go with it. You take that on the train with you. Go right up. Comes in this great little carrying sack, branded. Very cool. Ready to board. We got our tickets. Board's at 9:30 in the morning. See a gun show at 9:15. Let's go see the coffee shop. They have a coffee shop here.
was sung by Peter, Paul, and Mary. He wrote it though. John Denver wrote it in 1966, but
Okay.
he recorded it later on.
After Peter, Paul, and Mary.
Yeah, but he wrote it. Cass Elliot also had a song. Sang it too. So I knew there was somebody else that taught it.